All right, everybody, let's take a look at this all-new 251BH from Mallard. I'm going to show you why I believe this floor plan is a floor plan that even a dog will love. Obviously, this is going to be a family-style coach with the bunk-over-bunk. What I really like is this is the first time I've seen this additional cavity of massive storage. What a great spot to have your dog lay down and have that be their bed. It does have a nice integrated ladder so you can easily access the top level of the bunk. At both bunk levels, you have a nice window on both, which I think is really unique from what I've seen. Here at the entertainment center, this is obviously going to be prepped for your TV, so you would mount that right here. It has this nice integrated hidden storage pocket, so if you want to put your wallet, your cell phone, just a nice little spot to kind of hide things. They've integrated this beautiful little fireplace as well. This has a pass-through HDMI and USB as well as Bluetooth. So what that means is simply you bring your PlayStation, you have the HDMI cord, and you plug it through this pass-through, and then it would stream on the TV as opposed to spending an hour and a half trying to get that HDMI lined up in the back of the TV. Light and color, neutral wood tones, nice hardware here, black. It's with this barreled roof, they're able to have these mounted a lot higher so you can utilize the entire large press countertop with a nice soft edge here, so no sharp corners. The storage isn't compartmentalized by each door. You can actually go all the way across. There is no carpet throughout this coach. The only fabric you're going to see is on this slide. It is a marine grade woven fabric. So it's not going to take on odor, dirt, debris. Very, very easy to clean and much more durable than carpet. You've got a microwave above a 3-burner stove with a glass top, so again you can continue that use of a counter space seamlessly, and it does have a small oven. This is an 8 cubic foot gas electric, so for those of you that want to dry camp, this is the reefer that you would need. This doodle station is really unique. Basically, they made this surface a chalkboard. So if you get to your campsite or you have little young campers, they'd be able to come over here and doodle and draw. Mallard picks the comfort, you pick the style. What does that mean? We call it a selective style. Mallard's giving you 2 different color options. This will collapse down, of course, to another location for 2 adults to sleep comfortably. You've got cabinets that extend all the way down. They've added a nice glass insert here. Also, the slide is backlit and integrated with LEDs. Just a very nice touch to make this feel very home-like while you're on the road. All right, everybody, this is the master suite. A massive, true 72 by 80 king-size bed. You also have storage that surrounds the king-size bed from the left all the way to the right. These are nice closets. They come complete with closet rods for you to hang your clothes. You have elongated nightstands. In addition to this massive closet, so just a lot of room for you to store everything that you need here in this master suite. This bunkhouse is a great option, especially if you want a lot of storage. And if you have questions, you are always welcome to ask us, the manufacturer, at heartlandrbs.com.